What is going on, everybody? My name is Travis and welcome back to the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This is where you subscribe for all of the latest Bitcoin and altcoin news and Bitcoin and altcoin price updates and reactions, and occasionally stock news. Now, let's get into the juicy topic for today, and let's talk about Paid Network. This is a new altcoin that I have added to my altcoin portfolio. Now, what Paid Network is trying to do, it is trying to essentially make it very easy for businesses to make transactions. Everyone gets paid in a fast, easy way, and this is ensured through smart contracts. And so I think this token has the ability to help revolutionize the way business is done on the internet. And these are some of the incentives, as you can see, with being able to add to liquidity pools and have arbitration. Paid Network is a fairly new token, so it has not been out for that long, and so you can only buy it on Uniswap. You cannot buy it on centralized exchanges yet, and Paid Network has been on an insane run today specifically, as it is up a whopping 48.8%, up to $1.31, and did reach all-time highs of above $1.40. And in the last 7 days, Paid Network is up 192%. So just incredible. Now, you look at the supply, it has a cap supply of 594 million. So, that is somewhat a lot, but not that much. Some tokens have billions in supply, so that is something you like to see there. And yeah, right now the trading volume has put in about $10 million plus in trading volume. So yeah, not financial advice, but this is a coin I am hoping to make some really nice returns in this bull market, and I will be putting out a video when I am going to be taking profits in Paid Network and also my other altcoins that I hold. So I want to be able to help as many of you as possible by sharing my profit taking strategy, in hopes that you can hopefully take some value out of it, and that can help educate yourself to make the best decision for you financially. So thank you so much again, everyone. And that is going to wrap up today's video. And if you enjoyed this video and got some value out of the video, please smash up that like button. It really helps out the channel, helps the channel grow a lot. And I really appreciate all your support, everyone. Helps out the YouTube algorithm so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many Bitcoin and crypto enthusiasts and altcoin enthusiasts out there, and also to the Paid Network hodlers out there, to the Paid Network community. Thank you again, everyone, for all your support. And let me know if you would like down below in the comment section. I'd love to get your thoughts, perspectives, and reactions. What are some of the altcoins that you are holding in this bull market? Have you heard of Paid Network? What do you think of the token? And so yeah, I'd love to hear what everyone is thinking. And as always, until next time, we'll see you all back here on the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everyone. Take care and strive for greatness. We'll see you later.